Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to have a skincare day. So today I'm going to talk brief about my skincare, what I do, how I do, and with what I do. So you are guys always open that you can take inspiration from my skincare or do changes in your skincare from my skincare. So let's start without further ado. So first I like to see my skin a little bit, that what it is feeling like. So right now I am with full glam makeup. So first we will remove this makeup and be clean. So first I like to remove my eyelashes because I don't want them to dip again onto my oils. So first I like to remove the eyelashes, and also I like to use a makeup remover to clean them, but we are not gonna talk about it in this video. So first I like to sanitize my hands. So because I'm not at my bathroom, I'm doing it in my room, so I am using a sanitizer. You can obviously use a hand to clean your hands. So after cleaning your hands, I never ever touch my face, especially full with makeup, with a dirty hand, because it will promote the bacteria to have a party more greater cost. So first I like to use a oil. I have told this on my other videos as well that I don't use a special kind of cleansing oils from the market. I use just whatever kitchen oil I have. So I right now doing my skincare with mustard oil. So in my past video of skincare, I did my cleansing with coconut oil. So I really like to keep an eye about what oil I use, but I never going to use, I think, a cleansing oil because that is of no cost. So then I take a tissue paper and cleaning my all face, and just look guys how much dirt have came out. It literally looks like I have cleaned my showcase with this. This is so dirty, and at one swipe my face is looking so clean. So that's why I use double cleansing method, but first with a mustard oil or coconut oil, whatever oil you preferred, except the white oil obviously. Then I am going to wash my face. So currently I am using a soap. It really doesn't matter what is the pH level of it until it dries your skin out totally. So don't use a really drying soap, but try to create an eye on what face wash you use, because the soap or face wash obviously have the soap, I think you can understand me, the castile soap preference, which will obviously make dry your skin, and there's no meaning of pH level because the water is obviously not our pH level, but still we are using it. So I use my face wash for 1 minute, and again I rub it, and then I wash my face wash after 1 minute, or even whatever soap I use. Then I'm cleaning my face with a tissue. So I don't use a tissue, obviously it is just for the aesthetic purposes. I use a towel, a cotton towel obviously, and I don't rub my face just like the tissue I am doing. I do my towel that kind as well, because if you rub, it is not going to clean, but it will make your skin more loose. So I have rubbed my lipstick with. Next I am doing my toner, and I always try to understand what my skin wants. So I really don't want to do exfoliation today. I am going for moisturizing skincare today, but I will definitely show you what I do with exfoliation. So I have this homemade hyaluronic acid. I have a video on this as well on my channel, so you can go and see that. So this hyaluronic acid is really important for your skin, because this is a kind of long-term investment for your skin, you know, like a fixed deposit, because it is going to pay you for sure. So I like to use a hyaluronic acid after toner, so it brings back the moisture. And hyaluronic acid is just basically turns or catches the moisture from the weather. so you have to keep an eye on weather as well. Then I use a niacinamide serum. This is not like a mandatory step, because sometimes I use vitamin C, sometimes I use a niacinamide. It really doesn't matter. And then, because I am having a moisturizing hydrating day, I am going for a skin sheet mask. So I really like this sheet mask from Garnier. This is a black charcoal mask. I think this is a really brightening sheet mask. I have also tried their pink one. I think that is something called Japanese name, I don't remember it, but I don't like it that much how much I love this black one, this charcoal one. And I also have a favorite from Lakme, that is the strawberry and kiwi one, and from Innisfree I like the lemon one. So yeah, I have tried quite a few sheet masks, and I'm really happy that our available brands which are really available in our nearby shops, because those brands like Innisfree, Etude House are not available here. So I really like this Garnier one, and actually these Garnier sheet masks are more cheaper when you buy 3 in a set, which I have found in a mall. So whatever, moving on, I like to really use this ice mask because it really cools your skin, and not just all of our skin. And but today, because I have kept my sheet mask in the freezer, I am just going to use my massager or my roller. And I really like to depuff my skin because I'm really chubby and I really want to have a jawline. So this sheet mask is really brightening. You can see my face. I really love to use that. So all these things are to just hydrate your skin. Still we are going on hydration, and even after applying it for 15 to 20 minutes, this much serum is still left. So obviously, like me, like you, we are not going to waste it. We are going to apply it on your face, on our neck, on our hands, on our legs, whatever you can apply. You can apply it on your mom as well. So after really having a great hydration, this is what my skin looks, and this is just enough hydration I want. So I finish my steps with moisturizing things. So either I use a squalene oil or either I use a moisturizer. So I'm using my moisturizer with squalene today, because I really want to seal this hydration, because whatever I have used on my skin, especially the hyaluronic acid, is insane to go out on the weather, because the weather can suck the moisture out from my skin as well, and I will become dry again. So there's no meaning of doing that. So we need to seal that with a moisturizer, with the oil. So I don't like to put on too much moisturizer or oil, because I really don't want the products to work with my skin, but my skin should work with the product. So I really like to use a pea amount of this moisturizers or oils. So I have mixed that, and this is how my skincare steps is done. And this is my everyday skincare, because obviously I will not do the exfoliation every day. I do my exfoliation twice a week, and this is my everyday skincare except the sheet masks obviously. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, comment it, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.